take a look now at Germany, where Germany is facing rising infection rates, including serious cases of coronavirus that require hospitalization. Meanwhile, the pace of vaccinations is slower. While they have had a high number of people vaccinated, yet Germany is hesitant in imposing restrictions on unvaccinated people. Let's go across now to William Glucroft, correspondent with our partner DW in Berlin. And William, what are the differences for vaccinated and unvaccinated people in Germany?
Well, right now there are not huge differences between those vaccinated and unvaccinated. It's about 60% of the population fully vaccinated and about 40% who are not yet. Right now, to access most things in public life in Germany, it's good enough to get a test to show that you're negative. So you don't only need to be vaccinated or be recently recovered from the virus. But that might change going into the weeks and months ahead. We already know that starting in October, tests will no longer be free. So if you're going to continue being unvaccinated or you're not recently recovered, you're going to have to pay out of pocket to get that test to still be able to go into things like restaurants and public life.
And why does it seem unlikely then that Germany won't get even tougher on unvaccinated people?
Well, of course, data privacy and health data is very, very important here in Germany. It's some of the most sensitive personal data you can have, and people are very careful about who knows what about people's health status. And that's part of the pressure to protect people who are unvaccinated from having to tell people about their health status. Now, there's already been a proposal to force people to be vaccinated or get tests or be recently recovered, to have proof of that, just to ride a train or get on an airplane in Germany. That plan, however, has so far failed. Now there's an effort to allow employers to ask their employees about their vaccine status. That is ruffling a lot of feathers, especially among unions and worker rights groups. But most or many German officials are saying it is possible, although there, again, is strong protections of data privacy when it comes to health data. There are legal ways to essentially force employees to tell their employers if they are vaccinated or not. And that's currently the debate, just how much offices and workers will have to tell people about their vaccine status to be able to go to work.
All right. Thank you so much, William, for joining us from Berlin.